Hi everyone, just want to share something with you, and hello to my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. So today I've just made a Cameo DIY using die cut scraps, So that was my from Hobbycraft 12-pound die, and these are the scraps. So it was intricate, very in a jar. These are just the scraps, and I mounted it onto white cardstock and packaging, cut by scissors, no punches for this one. And then just a little while ago I made this. That's just cut from a Crafter's Companion magazine. I did that with my niece the other day, but then I added these diamante things today. That's from the pound shop as well. So, and then I wanted to share this with you. That's a second coat from my silver leafing pen. Can you see the silver? And just use dry glue, Pritt stick, and this to put things together. And then I added a bit of nail polish on the side of the hair to give it a tiny bit of colour just there. Don't know if you can see it. Hold on, sorry about that. Just a hint of gold. Just one of them. Tiny. I might have to do a second coat. You can slightly see it. I will do a second coat, I think, because you can't see it on camera, but you can see it with the naked eye. So I'm gonna make something on here later, and then I'll show you. So I'm just like making things, as you might know, and you can just use what you have lying around on your table and cut them to size using scissors and junk mail as well, cardstock junk mail, free from the letterbox. So just using scissors. I just wanted to share that with you if you didn't have a punch. Like I don't have a large scallop punch, but I can use rectangles and squares and my circle punches to make things. Yeah, I have a few punches, but I don't have all of the shapes. So this was cut freehand. Or no, actually, if you saw my other video, I used my circle punch, but it didn't go through the heavy cardstock, so then I carried on using my scissors. Yeah, so just use what you have. Oh, I wanted to show you, this is just amateur. I made this the other day on a Sunday, and I added some do crafts. Hold on, that was one of the, the leftovers from the die cut. So it was just, and then I positioned it into shape in here. This is the reverse of that, the sticky bit, and I stuck things into the sticky bit or onto the sticky bit. Various things. I'll show you what. Somebody said Dewcraft's gone out of business, so now if you go to the pound shop you can pick up these type of things for £1. This used to be like £2.49 with Dewcrafts, but Poundland have got this for £1. Dewcrafts. Yeah. So I've got gold. I've got a few things actually from Dewcrafts. Yeah, so anyway, never mind. You can pick maybe their stuff up quite cheap now in Poundland. Yeah, sorry for rambling on. So I'm gonna go and carry on working on something like this, and then I'll show you later. Take care, have fun, stay safe.